In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly link your Google Merchant Center account to your Google Business profile in just 5 minutes. This process will help you enhance your online presence by merging two powerful Google Business tools. First, let's open your preferred web browser and navigate to merchants.google.com. This URL will take you directly to the Google Merchant Center homepage. Once there, double check that you're either signed up for a Google Merchant account or already logged in. If you haven't done this, make sure to sign up first or log in with your existing credentials. Now with your merchant account open, we're going to focus on the overview page. Scroll down the page leisurely, and as you do, you'll notice a section that mentions linking your business profile to Business Manager. This part is crucial because it paves the way for integrating your Merchant Center with your business profile. Click on the link provided to proceed to the Business Manager. You'll see a pop-up menu appearing right in front of your eyes, prompting you with the option to connect your Google Business profile. Don't worry, this is completely normal and expected. Now, you'll need to select the specific business profile you wish to connect. This is an important step, so make sure you choose the correct profile from the list displayed. Just tick the checkbox beside the name of the business profile that calls out to you. Once you've done this, click on the Next button. This will take you one step closer to completing the link between your accounts. On the following page, you'll be met with a Link button. Pressing this will finalize the connection process. It's simple yet significant. After clicking link, the magic happens and your Google Merchant Center becomes officially connected to your Google Business profile. This integration allows you to easily manage and track your business data while boosting your business's visibility and online analytics. If you followed each step precisely, your account should now be linked. This powerful connection means you can efficiently manage how your products appear on Google Search and Maps. Enjoy the enhanced visibility and easy management this link offers, and take moments to explore the various features and tools now at your disposal within both your Merchant Center and business profile. That's a wrap for our quick guide today. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with others looking to link their Merchant Center to their business profile, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.